My ass is like in really a lot of pain. Oh, side panniers, almost forgot. The trophies with the golden wheels, look at that. Trophy, golden wheels, one of my favorites. I want it that away. Guys, we are back listening to the, I think it was like the Backstreet Boys in the center of town. Not really the biggest chick magnet out there, but a lot of fun. Now, fun fact, in front of me we also have the brand new Mercedes EQE 350, because today I am bringing the BMW R1250 RT back to BMW Louyet group. The BMW and Mercedes garages are actually like 2 kilometers away from each other, so we are bringing back this beautiful specimen. Mercedes is going to pick me up. We're going to go back to Mercedes, drop that Mercedes off, jump in my Jimny because my Jimny was stuck at the Mercedes headquarters in Belgium all week, so we gotta pick up the Suzuki Jimny as well. Window up. I love this motorcycle. I don't know why, but I love this thing. Let's check out the Mercedes for a second. So in the last video I also said I'm going to be starting up supercar Smokey yet again. So one of the first cars we actually got from Mercedes is that one. Yeah, it's fully electric, like 300 horsepower, 280 or something. It's not an AMG electrical version, but it is actually a pretty fun car. With a push of the button you can turn all the traction control off, and it's rear wheel drive. You can do a lot of drifting with it. It is fun. It has some gizmos, it has some gadgets. It's also Mercedes E-Class, so it actually drives very well. But we're not here to talk about electrical cars. So yeah, last week I actually did 1,000 kilometers in a single freaking day with this motorcycle. Now some people were like, hey Smokey, we do that every week. I'm like, ah man, okay. But I mean, for me it was like a challenge because this is the first time I actually done 1,000 kilometers in a single day. And also did like 5 countries, which is not the most difficult part, because you know Belgium is actually close to the Netherlands, also to France, Luxembourg and Germany. So it's not even that hard to do like 5 countries in a single day with a motorcycle. A fun fact, when I do like 150 kilometers of almost 200 kilometers on my Super Adventure R, my ass is like in really a lot of pain. And on this motorcycle, my neck has no pain, my ass had no pain. I was like, I could do like 300-400 more at least, like. And this also feels, it rides like a BMW GS. It is probably because it's like the same engine or whatnot, but I mean it handles good. It's a little bit more sluggish as the GS. The GS is of course a little bit higher on its feet, a little harder to touch the ground. With this one I can put my both feet flat onto the ground. Absolutely love that. Not on a lot of motorcycles I can actually touch my both feet on the ground, but I can do it with this one. And also the electrical screen, look at that, the windscreen in the front. This gives you the feeling that you're still riding a motorcycle. Like full head on, you can actually hear that probably by the noise of the helmet winds, and then you can just put it up like that and it becomes quiet. What also is a fun fact, up to 6th gear, is that the wind actually goes over my head and actually pushes me a little bit in the back. So the faster you ride a motorcycle with a big screen like that, the harder it actually pushes in your back and the faster you want to ride it. It's like a really weird feeling. Now some people were doubting of buying like the R2 or the GS. I have to say, if you like to do some twisties and some corners and whatnot, and you're going to do some traveling and maybe a little bit off-roading, I mean, just get the GS. The GS is perfect. If you're planning on doing like only road, you want to be in absolutely comfort, and also the suspension, oh, this thing is smooth. You got like quick selector buttons, heated seat, heated grips. I absolutely love this motorcycle because when it comes to comfort and riding for a very, very, very long time, I could ride this on a daily basis. Like seriously, on a daily basis. When it comes to taking corners and want to have some fun into the mountains and whatnot, yeah, I'm probably going for the BMW GS. I gotta admit, I'm going for the GS. Can I dump my buddy in the Mercedes? Can I dump my buddy in the Mercedes? Yes, I can. Yes, I'm just gonna dump him. Bye-bye. I'm gonna dump him. I'm not gonna stand here stuck in traffic. I'm absolutely not gonna do that. Let's lower the screen. Oh, side panniers. Almost forgot. Smokey, you have very wide side panniers. Be careful. Be careful. 4 indicators on. I almost forgot. I have very wide panniers. So I'm not even sure if I can fit here. Don't want to hit one of the panniers because they're painted. Yeah, just dump my buddy. Benefits of having a motorcycle. And this god dang ring of Antwerp, this is the ring around Antwerp, going into Brussels in a second, but like I've been lane splitting for the last 4 or 5 kilometers. It is absolutely ridiculous how many cars there are actually on the road. And I said it before, but there's like always one person in a car for like 5 people. I just got from there, look at that. Oh, my buddy is stuck with the Mercedes somewhere very far behind. I'm really sorry. Now I'm not picking up another motorcycle. Normally occasions I would be picking up other motorcycles, of course. I don't like to go back home empty with an empty trailer. Not on a trailer, I'm on a motorcycle, Smokey. Today is Monday, and on Wednesday BMW is flying me to BMW world premiere of the new GS. Some pictures have leaked. I wanted to show it to you guys, but I'm like, I can't share leaked pictures. If I'm working together with BMW and some pictures that leaked, I can't share them. I'm really sorry, but that's not how I work. That's not how I am. When this video comes out, you have probably seen already the BMW GS world premiere video, because I'm not going to wait releasing the videos of the world premiere of the brand new BMW GS. That would be kind of stupid. Anyway, we need to get to the motorcycle store. Actually, we have no reason to get to the motorcycle store really fast, because yeah, my buddy is still in traffic a long way behind me and he's picking me up over there, so I don't know. But now I don't want to get political over here, of course. Trump versus Biden. I do wonder. Biden is like, I'm from Belgium, so I don't really care what they picked, but I mean, what is wrong with Biden? If I see videos of him, is he like always that? He keeps on falling. He's not able to speak well.
Nobody likes having celebrated international meetings, but I tell you what, I don't know about you, but I'm going to go to bed.
So I think there's like, or he's just getting very old, or is it like a brain tumor or something's like, really, I hope the man is all okay, but something is terribly wrong. And Trump is like waltzing all over the place yet again. So I do wonder, what are you guys up to? Are you like Trump supporters? Are you guys Biden supporters? Or are you just like, Smokey, leave politics out of this channel. Don't do it. Leave it out of the channel. Ferrari. Yeah, it's that one. That is called the poor man's Ferrari, because it's like the only Ferrari that loses value a lot. If I'm correct. I can be totally wrong, but I think that was like a California. Isn't that a California? Not really sure. I think like the cheapest Ferrari out there, and nobody actually wants it. Anyway, and just like that, we are of course off the highway, very close to the BMW Motorrad. We are going to put the screen down just like that, so we get some fresh air in my ugly face. That dude has a scooter, very nice. So yeah, we're also going to be running a little tour around the shop just to check out what is there. I am a little bit wondering, are you guys missing like the KTM content? Like Smokey, just stick it to the KTMs, my friend. Just stick it to the KTMs. Or are you guys like, no, Smokey, come on, man, do some more brands. We don't care. Just do all the brands. I don't know. And yeah, these guys from BMW right here, they have like a giant building, like a giant building. The Louyet group, they have like the motorcycles in the back, and this is the cars. All of these buildings, this is all BMW workshop, where they fix cars if you put a dent in it. The motorcycles in the back. We have a new showroom over here. It's no, these are, I think it's like used cars. I mean, there is like a ton of BMWs here, but like a lot. And just like that, Louyet, make life right. Let's check out what's on the parking lot. We have another, of course, 1250 RT. Oh, look at that. We have a 1250 RT with a giant Akrapovic. Look at that. Oh, the thing is giant. Another 1250 RT, 1250 RT, S1000 XR, another GS, another GS, of course, mine. Should have cleaned it, actually, didn't really clean it. An old R1200 RT, we have a Yamaha, he's probably buying a BMW right now, and an R1250. So just as easy like that. My buddy is not here just yet, so we're just going to be walking into the store, and I'll give you guys a quick tour. Why not? Oh. I pulled out the carpet. I actually just pulled out the carpet. Oh, how does this work? Oh, I didn't see that. Oh no, I pulled out. I just pulled out the whole carpet from the inside, and just like that, it is back on lock. So we're just gonna take a little tour inside the shop. This is a new, this is like an option 719 R18. Not really sure if you guys really want to see me take out a chopper with an engine that looks like a freaking airplane. The Louyet group is also doing the Zero motorcycles, the Zero DSRX. I'm gonna take that out in a couple weeks as well. Just a little look inside the shop. So we got another R1250, also kind of like that, a little bit of a more of a retro style. And the police just tested out their brand new blue scooter. Look at that. Isn't this thing hilarious? G310, also very good looking motorcycle. 750 GS. I can't wait for the brand new ones to show up. The trophies. One of my favorites are of course the trophies. So the trophies with the golden wheels. Look at that. Trophy, golden wheels, one of my favorites. We have the M1000R right here. Look at that. We have a normal one next to it. We have some more clothing here. Maybe another police bike because the police is ordering a lot of motorcycles. Oh yeah, I think in the back there's a ton of new police motorcycles as well. Brand spanking new police motorcycles. Gonna take them for a small look. Yes, they have like F1, they have like 2 horns, F3, F4, they have like more lights. I want to take it out like on the highway and play with the lights and pull people over. The Mercedes is probably going to be showing up any minute right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. And you probably have seen a BMW GS video. So I'm gonna close it off right here and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see my latest video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done over here. And if you want to become a full-time YouTuber, as you can see by my play buttons yourself, go to smokytube.com. And over there I have the perfect all-in-one how to YouTube course.